This is Michael's story. Today, Happy Trails visits the Spadra Creek Nature Trail in Clarksville. The southern trailhead parking is off South Rogers Street, just north of Interstate 40, and tucked behind McDonald's. There are trails on both sides of the creek, but today we'll cross the historic 1907 iron bridge to walk the paved Western Trail. Spadra Creek begins about 15 miles north of Clarksville in the Ozark National Forest and flows into the Arkansas River about 3 miles south of the bridge. The first part of the trail follows the old road bed and passes pastures to the west and low ground with bike trails to the east.
Morning.
After about a half mile, the trail joins the levee for the rest of the way. Before the trail crosses Main Street, we pass the historic American Legion hut, built on an island in the creek in 1934. The island was filled in when the levee was built in the 1970s. Main Street is busy, so be careful crossing here and on Cherry Street just beyond. There's one last bike trail area just before the path ends at the University of the Ozarks. Retrace your steps for a 3.5-mile hike, or you can cross over the creek on Main Street and take the rugged, unpaved Scout Trail on the east side all the way back to your car. The east side is far more scenic, but we'll save that for another day.